Okay, good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Desmond Tunke, and I'm here to bring another exciting video on how to make money online if you're from any part of the world. So let's get started. So you come to your browser, you open your browser, then you come and search for Google News stroke health, because the site we'll be dealing with, they need stuff about health. So you scroll down a little bit, you see a lot of health blog. You want health news and health. What we need is health news and health articles. So let's just take one of this one and open it. So there's an article. Somebody has written it. So you press Ctrl+A to highlight everything. Or if you are using your phone, you just need to copy everything. Then you copy it. Then you come to another site, a new tab, and type spinboot.com. This site, what they do is that they convert every text you write and they rewrite it in a form that nobody will know that you copied it from a site. So you come here, then you paste it there. So I search for paste and I paste it there. I just remove all this unnecessary stuffs down here, the addresses and all these things. Get my site written very well. Okay, so I think we are done with all these things. So this is the text, and the site we are going to, they pay each word. If your article is accepted, they pay each letter. Each letter $1. So you can see that is a lot of money, a lot of money if your article is accepted. Okay, so you scroll down, then you come. I'm not a robot. They want to verify and know whether you're a robot. Then you come and press go. You wait for it to load for just a few seconds. Then you see this is the text they are free write. So you see this is the other text which has been written in your own ways. This one, no one will detect that it was not you who wrote it. Then you come to another site. So you just leave it here. Don't close this text and come to another site. This is where the real work is done. eatingwell.com. Then you tap it to load. So at eatingwell.com, there are a lot of emails here, but we need an email that is for the contacts so that you send them your article. So let's just come to the search button and search writers. Okay, I've already typed it, writers guideline. Then you open it. The writers guideline will open. Then you click on writers guideline. Then you scroll down. You see an email where you can send them your article for verification and for review. So you scroll down. There's a mail.